Okay.
He's in that bathroom. He'll be coming out in a minute because he's ticked.
Well, leave that door shut for a second.
What?
Get the door.
Bathroom door.
Yeah.
You want me to shut this bathroom door with him in there?
Yeah, so we can get the net on him.
I can get the net and get him.
Where's the net at?
Where is he?
He's in the bathtub.
Oh, he's in there.
What?
He's laying right there.
Oh, there he is. Get the get the door! They're attacking me! Get it, Tyler! Ah! Oh, shoot! Oh, where the heck that bird come from? Joe?
He probably wants the thing open. Okay. Do you think I can...
What?
Here, I'll do this.
Honey?
This box.
You see my new shoes I got?
Yeah?
Well, I had to get new ones because the other ones wouldn't fit me.
Oh.
Bye, Trooper! He'll attack me because he's mad. Okay, you gonna put a box over? Okay, I see where he's at. He's on the shower. He's right there. He's on the shower.
Okay. Honey, we don't want to hurt you. Oh.
Oh, he's in the toilet.
Huh?
He's in the toilet.
Oh, Mom. Yeah, drop it behind there. Oh.
What the hell?
Okay,
Where is
he's behind that plant. He's behind the plant. Put the thing on top of it. And then move the plant out. Where is he?
Shoot!
He's in your bedroom!
Oh, no, not my bedroom!
He's in your bedroom!
Oh my gosh!
Oh, he's behind there. Oh, look, he's
Where?
he's right there. Okay.
Okay. Hurry up! Joe!
Okay, hold on. Dad, wait, Israel!
There he is, Joe.
Shut the door.
Shut the door. Get him, Joe. Let me go. Oh my God.
Dad, don't get your other eye back down!
What's wrong with me? Ah, he's pecking me! Oh my God. You got him, Joe. He's right behind you, hon. He's behind you.
No, he's in the bathtub.
No, he's not. He's right there.
He's there now.
Right behind. Now he's there. Look at it. Joe, you can't see. There.
Oh, my blinds. I got an umbrella in here.
I know, because it was raining. Ah, he's behind you. I'm going to get him in my box. No.
Where'd he go?
He's in that flower.
No,
He's behind the flower.
Oh, there he is. You got him, Joe. Ooh, don't. Ooh.
Okay.
Here's a box. You want this box to try
I'm
to...
just trying to keep from hurting him.
Yeah, I know. Here's a
No,
box.
box has a lid.
Well, you know what I mean. There you go. There you go. Yeah, he's got it.
Woo!
Honey, I don't think... Let me get him.
Where's he at now?
Honey, here.
I can get him, I just have to find him.
He's right there. He's hiding. He's
He's behind you! Right there!
I keep getting caught in that umbrella. Lord have mercy. Here, let's shut these doors.
Okay. Okay, where's the box?
It's in that bathroom.
Oh!
Ah! He come out of this. There's a hole in it or something.
No.
He did. He did.
Is there a hole in it?
Okay.
Oh, Tyler, he's not a dog.
Oh.
Where'd he go?
Oh, he's back there. All right. All right. We got you. It's okay.
He's over here now.
Oh.
Here, let me get him.
Oh, where is he?
He's behind this chair.
Okay, I got him.
You got me, Joe.
Oh.
Behind the TV.
Don't knock my
Okay.
TV off, dog.
If you live in one of the following counties, you
I
can
gotcha.
with $0 monthly premium. So now,
Oh, come on.
Knock my picture down. I just put them up.
Quit playing.
So call Anthem today.
You're trying to hold a camera and that too. It's too hard. Knock the TV off.
Not me!
Here, let me have you.
Ow! Get that damn bird.